Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to find sum, product, count, reverse of a given number. So let's get started. First we will write the program and later on we will see the program. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. Click on file, click on save as. Now give any number. Now we need to give file name. You can give any file name like numbers.py. File name with the extension .py. Python file should be saved with the extension .py. So this is the file name .py. Now click on save. Yeah, file is saved. You can see over here. Now we need to execute this Python program by using command prompt. For that, click here, type cmd to open command prompt. Now we need to give path cd space desktop, enter. Dictionary dir, enter. Now file name with the extension .py, enter. Now we need to enter any number. Now we need to enter any number. Suppose 564327, enter. See, we are getting sum of all the digits of a number, and this is the product, and this is the count of the number, and this is the reverse of the number. I will copy this output and I will paste over here. Yeah, this is the output, this is the code. Now we will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to enter a number like this. Enter a number. So we can enter any number. And we need to define variables: sum, product, count, reverse. Sum, count, reverse. Initial value can be 0, but product initial value should be 1. And next, while n not equal to 0, if the statement is true, then it will enter the loop. Then sum equal to sum plus n modulus 10. Modulus operator will give remainder of the number. And product equal to product into n modulus 10. These are the formulas we need to remember. Count equal to count plus 1. Reverse equal to reverse into n plus modulus n modulus 10. n equal to n floor division 10. This loop will continue until n not equal to 0 is true. Once this statement becomes false, then it will exit from the loop. After exiting from the loop, these statements will be printed. It will print sum, it will print product, count, reverse of a number. So we are getting output like this. This is the sum, product, count, reverse of a number. Yeah, this is the code. This is the output. I hope everyone clear with this code and output. If you have any questions regarding this code, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.